Welcome to Daily English with Emma. Let's learn English together.
It is 6 o'clock in the morning. The sun is rising slowly. The house is very quiet. Everyone is still sleeping. Emma is the mother. She is sleeping peacefully. Her alarm clock rings softly. Emma opens her eyes. She smiles. She feels calm. Emma says quietly, "Good morning."
Morning.
Emma walks to the kitchen. She takes a cup. She makes coffee. The coffee smells nice. Emma puts bread in the toaster. She cuts apples. She cuts bananas. She puts fruit on a plate. She feels happy. Emma likes quiet mornings.
Now David wakes up. David is the father. He opens his eyes. He feels sleepy. He yawns. David walks to the bathroom. He brushes his teeth. He washes his face. He looks in the mirror. He smiles. He feels fresh.
Now Lily wakes up. Lily is the daughter. She is 8 years old. She rubs her eyes. She feels tired. Lily sits on her bed. She looks at the clock. She stands up. She gets ready for the day. The family sits at the table. They eat breakfast together. They eat toast and fruit. They drink milk and coffee.
I have school today.
I have math class.
I have work today.
I will clean the house.
They all smile. They feel warm inside. After breakfast, David gets ready. He puts on his jacket. He takes his bag. David says, "Have a good day." Emma says, "Drive safely." The children wave. David walks outside. Now Lily and Tom get ready for school. They take their backpacks.
I love you both so much. Have a wonderful day at school. I'll be right here when you get back.
The house is quiet again. Emma cleans the table. She washes the dishes. Emma sits on the sofa. She drinks tea. She thinks about her family. She feels happy. She enjoys the quiet house. In the afternoon, the children come home. Lily comes home from school. Tom comes home too. They feel tired. They feel hungry. Emma is happy to see them. The family eats lunch together. They sit at the table. They eat slowly. They talk quietly. Lunchtime is peaceful. They enjoy eating together. In the evening, Emma helps the children. Lily does her homework. Tom learns his lessons. Emma sits with them. She helps them. The house feels calm. In the evening, David comes home. He finishes his work. He enters the house. The family feels happy. They are together again. The family eats dinner together. They talk about their day. They feel relaxed. Dinner time is warm and calm. Family time is important. At night, the house becomes quiet. The day is over. Emma feels calm. She feels thankful. The home feels peaceful. It is time to sleep. The house is quiet. Emma closes her eyes. She rests. Good night. Now, let's learn some vocabulary. Listen slowly. You can listen and relax. Morning. Morning is the early part of the day. Morning. In the morning, we wake up. Morning. Quiet. Quiet means not loud. Quiet. The house is quiet. Quiet. Family. Family is people we love. Family. Emma and her family eat together. Family. Breakfast. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Breakfast. They eat breakfast in the morning. Breakfast. Sleepy. Sleepy means feeling tired. Sleepy. Tom feels sleepy in the morning. Sleepy. Calm. Calm means relaxed and peaceful. Calm. Emma feels calm in the morning. Calm. Work. Work is what we do to earn money. Work. David goes to work. Work. School. School is a place to learn. School. Lily and Tom go to school. School. Lunch. Lunch is a meal in the afternoon. Lunch. The family eats lunch together. Lunch. Evening. Evening is the time after the afternoon. Evening. In the evening, the family is together. Evening. Dinner. Dinner is the meal in the evening. Dinner. They eat dinner together. Dinner. Home. Home is the place where we live. Home. Emma feels happy at home. Home. Relax. Relax means to rest and feel calm. Relax. Emma relaxes in the afternoon. Relax. Happy. Happy means feeling good inside. Happy. The family feels happy together. Happy. Tired. Tired means needing rest. Tired. The children feel tired at night. Tired. Night. Night is the time to sleep. Night. At night, the house is quiet. Night. Sleep. Sleep means to rest your body. Sleep. Emma goes to sleep at night. Sleep. Good night. Good night is what we say before sleeping. Good night. Emma says good night. Good night. Now, listen again. Morning. Quiet. Family. Calm. Home. Sleep. Thank you for listening. This is Daily English with Emma. See you in the next video.